So today we are taking off our upper blinkers on the Skoolie. I got some fill stuff from Skoolie.com to fill the light holes, and I'll show you how I'm going about it. And don't know if it's the right way, but it's the way I'm doing it. So follow along. First thing I need to do, I need to unscrew these old lights and get them out of the way. Just a Phillips. Some have 4 screws in them, some have just 2. It just depends. So that's what we're doing. Got that one out. Just undid the wire from the back of it. Already pulled the wires from these in the inside. Now to the orange flusher. I got one that's a ground screw. Just unscrew it a little bit from this. There they are. They're out. Now we need to clean up all the rubber around here so we can get a good seal. Alright, I'm going to keep cleaning these and then I'll show you what they look like when I'm done. So those are cleaned up. We got all the rubbery sticky stuff off, and now I'll hit it with the orbital sander. So I got a few scratches in there. I want to make sure it's nice and clean, and then we're going to prime it. Hit it with the orbital sander and just clean it. Ready for some priming. Very good spray paint right here. Now we just let that dry. I went ahead and put a black coat of paint on those. There was somewhere where the annealing had scraped off from the drill holes, so, or the burrs that they ground off. So I hit it with some paint, just keep it from rusting on the back side, and then I'll hit the front with the paint. Probably flip them over as soon as they dry. Might as well paint it all. So now we've got paint dry. Paint is dry on both sides. Filler spots. We're going to use some Sikaflex 252. I'm going to seal it up and then put our first piece in, put 1 screw in, and then work our way around. And we should have 2 screws that line up. Come on. I want to put a big enough hole in it. Just going to fight it. Just going to fight it the whole way to it. These are self-tappers, so see how they go.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they want to go eat, feed them, coming for me. Be ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head. I'm seeing.
Wind up with the hole down here.
You know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. So
there we go. There's one done. Clean up paper towel. I pushed out. Oop.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down.
There it is. Not the prettiest, but I did start scraping that thing off with the heat gun. Need to sand that down now so I can put a little paint on it. I scratched it a few times, so nothing rusts. But yeah, got the other side to do. And there it is. There it is. Front end transformed. And more lights up top. Start getting eaten alive by mosquitoes, so didn't get to do the school bus sign, sand it down. But we're getting there. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Thanks.
Coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go, we